Limited, which is an innovative technology company that covers design, R&D, production, and sales. Our products are patented TWS earphones. Shenzhen Tadpole Industrial Design Company Limited is founded in 2012 and located in Shenzhen, Longhua District. Factory has 70 employees, included 3 production lines, 8 experienced electrics and structural engineers. Factory is equipped with 6 domestic and overseas sales team in past 3 years. Shenzhen Tadpole Industrial Design Company Limited is in the rapid growing process. Our advantages: Number 1, private mold and patented products, independent R&D and production, delicate appearance, competitive prices, professional after-sale services. Number 2, professional QA and 100% QC to keep quality reliable. Number 3, professional PMC and production management keep reliable delivery time. Number 4, CE, ROHS, FCC, BQB, TELEC. KC certificates is our promise to quality. Number 5, factory R&D team has at least 3 years experience in TWS community, which are able to meet much OEM requirements. Tadpole Industrial Design Company Limited